Hi children, how are you all? Are you all fine? Let us continue the chapter Understanding Quadrilateral exercise 3.3 fifth question. Okay? So let us read the question. The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So it is given, the ratio is given children. Okay, not the value, it is given the ratio. If ratios are given, how you used to do? If ratio 3:2 is the ratio, means you will take the angle measure as 3x and 2x. Okay, so it is told that adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram, what is a property? When you are adding the adjacent angles of a parallelogram, you should get 180 as the total. So what you will do? 2x plus 3x equal to 180. 2x plus 3x is how much? 5x equal to 180. Then we will find the value of x. So that is x is equal to 180 by 5. Then you will get the value of x. Then what you will do? You will substitute in 2x and 3x and you will find the value of the angles. Okay, now let us see the solution. So, let the two adjacent angles be 3x and 2x. Okay, so 3x and 2x. Okay. Now, next one, since the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary, 3x plus 2x equal to 180, that is x equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 by 5, that is equal to 36 degree. X value we got it as 36 degree. Now what you are going to do? You are going to substitute it. Okay, 3x instead of x, you are going to substitute 3 into 36, that is 108, and the other angle 2x, 2 into 36 equal to 72. So these are the adjacent angles. Children, let us see question number 7. Adjacent figure Hope is a parallelogram. Find the angle measure x, y and z. State the properties you use to find them. Children, before we start this problem, let me recall the properties which you have studied in your 7th standard. That is, for a triangle, okay, for a triangle, exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. This you have learned in your 7th standard. Angle 1 plus angle 2, that will be equal to this exterior angle. This you have learned in 7th. Okay, exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. This one you have learned. Now next one is parallel lines. About the parallel lines. If these both are parallel line, these angles are alternate interior angles. If these both lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles will be same. That you have learned. Okay, now let us go to the problem. Now you want to find the value of x, y and z you should find. So what about x and z? Now you take this as a triangle. Okay, now you take this as a triangle and 70 is your exterior angle. Then what about the exterior? How can you tell that? Angle y plus angle z is equal to 70 degree exterior angle. So that you have written y plus z is equal to 70 degree and mark it as 1. Okay, equation 1. Now in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior angles, opposite interior angles. Now about the angle Hope, that is angle HOP. What about this angle? This angle means it will be 180 minus y plus z. So y plus z plus HOP. This angle will be 180 degree as a triangle. Okay, so this HOP, this angle will be equal to 180 minus this y plus z. 180 minus y plus z. So y plus z means what you got? It is 70 degrees. So 180 minus 70. You are substituting y plus z equal to 70 degrees. Now it is HOP, this angle will be equal to 110. Got it? This angle will be equal to 180 minus 70 degree. 180 minus 70 equal to 110 will be this angle. Okay. Now, next one, if you are considering EH and OP as a parallel line and PH is the transversal. Now you take EH, this line, and OP, this line is a parallel line, then PH is the transversal. Then what about the alternate interior angle? Which is alternate interior coming? Angle Y, and this is alternate interior coming. So what will be the value of Y? Y will be equal to 40 degree as it is alternate interior angles. Now from Y value you got it as 40 degree. Now you are taking this equation. Y plus Z is equal to 70. In that you will substitute the 40. Value of Y you will substitute. So what happens? 40 plus Z is equal to 70. Z is equal to 70 minus 40, that is equal to 30 degree. So X value you got it as 110. Then Y value you got it as 40 alternate interior angles. Now Z value you got it as 70 minus 40 equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now we'll go to next question.